So what I'll use to clean this is lint-free cloth. I got a microfiber lint-free, some isopropyl alcohol, and maybe a toothbrush. Some of these thermal pastes are conductive. The one I use is conductive, so you want to be careful on how much you use, so it doesn't short out any of these other circuits around. Oh, and I also use Q-tips, which I might have to go get because it looks like I'm out of. You just kind of break free the hard stuff from around the sides. Sometimes it's more of a liquid. But the card was running a little bit hot, so I figured I'd change it before throwing it into a rig. I booted it up and it was good to go, but just running a little warm. So I'll just get a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. Make sure no debris is left on it, because that'll have an effect on heat transfer. Give it a good cleaning. And same thing for your heat sink. Try to clean it off as nice as possible. Some of these are blackened from heat and whatnot. As long as you have a good transfer in the middle, that's what I'm concerned most about. I'll take a little toothbrush just in case some stuff gets into the circuitry. All right.